Okay, good morning, grade 2, and welcome to our second session in the revision. Let's start in the animal groups, and we said that we have 5 animal groups. It was the famper, which is the fish, the reptile, the mammals, the amphibian, and the birds as well. Okay, which animal of these will breathe through its gills? Of course, the fish, because the fish is having the fins and gills that enable us to breathe and swim in the water. Which group does this animal belongs? Take care of this question. It belongs to the bird because it has 2 wings and it's not a fish. Which animal does not have a backbone? We said before that there is animals that have a backbone and there is animals that has not. The animals that has not was the jellyfish and also the insects. Okay, which 2 animals are in the same group? Of course, the shark and seahorse, because both are fishes, while the frog is from the amphibian and the lizard from the reptile, and here's the butterfly from the insects and the dolphin from the fish, and the dog is from the mammals and the fish from the fish. So it will be the shark and seahorse. Choose the correct animal group for the alligators. The alligator from the reptiles, and we said before that the reptile that has a very rough and dry skin, and they have scales just like the snake, and I have shown it to you in a video yesterday in the revision. Okay, what are the animals that have hair and warm-blooded and drink milk when they are babies? They are the mammals, of course. Okay, number 18. Which live in the water and have gills to breathe, scales and fins on their bodies? They are the fish, of course, because the fish, they have the gills and fins, like I said before. This is for the groups of animals. Okay, let's move to the life cycle. We said that we have something like something called a life cycle, and the life cycle say the life of the animals from how it starts and to be an adult until to be a young until it dies, how it eat and mate and do anything in her life is called the life cycle. So the life cycle is a stage of the living thing goes through during its life, how its life is going on. What is an animal with feather and wing? Of course it's the bird. This one is it's a reptile because it has a dry skin and scaly skin. This one is fish, of course, the shark. The shark is fish. Chicken life cycle starts by being in egg, and egg then it hatches, and when the egg is hatches, a baby chick is produced, and this baby chick will eat until it be a large chicken that will lay egg again. So its life cycle start by being an egg. Which animal have a backbone? Okay, if you look here, you will find that we have 2 insects. It's the bee and the butterfly. So the zebra will have the backbone. Okay, which is an example on the amphibian? Okay, of course it's the frog, the amphibian. And the amphibian, their skin is moist and they live most of their life in the water. Examples on mammals. Of course the mammals will be like us, the humans or the people. Snakes are covered with scales and not feather nor fur. Okay, birds have what to fly? They have the wings to fly and the beak to eat. Snakes are reptiles and not amphibian. Okay, 29. What are the animals without the backbone? Of course, they are the insect. Number 30. What tells how the animals start and grow to be an adult is the life cycle. Okay, the butterfly also will begin its life as an egg to be a larva, yeah, it's or the pupa, and then the caterpillar. The caterpillar of the butterfly eats the plants to grow. 33. What is the body part or a way an animal act that help it stay alive? It's adaptation. So the adaptation is a body part or a way an animal act that helps it to stay alive. Giraffes has Giraffes have a long neck that would help them to reach the leaves in the top of the trees. A tarsier has a big eyes to see at night and long fingers to dig for food. And this is actually the part for how do the animals stay alive and how do they save their life. Okay, how is the way that the animals change the color or the shape of an animal that help them to hide? This way is called the camouflage. Okay, where do all the life forms get their energy? Of course, they will get their energy from the sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Okay, the organism that hunt for food is called hunt for food. Yes, they are the predator. Animals such as worms break the dead things into small pieces. Yeah, they are worms. It's already answered. Okay, animals that are hunted by predators are called prey. And actually we have a prey and predator, and the predators are the strongest one that will hunt the small animals that will called prey. That's called prey. The insects is the prey for the birds. What is the remain or the evidence of an ancient organism? Of course, the fossil. Why it's so important to study fossil? Fossils are the evidence of the organism that lives ago. Yeah. Some plants and animals are lived ago, so we call them extant. Okay, thank you so much for this part, and I hope you enjoyed the session.